that we are going to study. Number one is just the introduction of audio, the notion of study method, the fundamental of study method, the procedure of study method, how do I study. Introduction to the study method. This course is designed to provide with skills and knowledge needed to facilitate your process of learning and preparing your assignment and exam. Whenever you are going to prepare your examinations and learning of your assignments and preparing your assignments, there is you have to find some skills and knowledge. So you have to learn these skills and knowledge, that how to do your assignment and exam preparation of exam to effective. So there is some tips and tricks. So this module will help you to how to study and how to get more knowledge and how to get more skills that always improve your assignment and examinations. So the notion of studying. There is some notion of study. Number one is that studying the pattern, maximum topic are covered, and a minimum time is spent. Whenever you are going to study, you should study the pattern. Pattern-wise study always be effective, and you have to cover maximum topic. When you have to cover a maximum topic, it will improve to make your assignment more effective and your preparation of exam more efficient. And it should be on minimum time. Study method help you to go about your studying to achieve better result in a productivity. Being meticulous with your study material or work, it's beneficial when you can make less error and improve stronger retention abilities. Always be meticulous with your study material. The study material should be meticulous, and always be yourself a meticulous person, so it will be more effective for you. Study method always be defined as a systematic investigation of existing method of doing a job in order to develop and install an easy, rapid, efficient, effective, and less fatiguing procedure for doing same and a lower cost. Whenever you are going, whenever you are doing a job, so you have to do a systematic investigations on it, and the study method can help you here. So you can develop and install an easy and a rapid, efficient way for this the previous job in a good way, and it can be on a lower cost. Study put simply method is when in each piece of study material or work is put through scrutiny in order to ensure everybody is understood and retained by you. So there should be always a scrutiny of your work. Why it is important? Study method is a process of subjecting work to systematic critical observation to make it more effective and efficient. The philosophy of the method is that there is always a better way of doing job, and the tool of studying method always designed systematically arrive at a better way of doing job. Whenever you are going to a job, there is many ways, but you have to focus on a better way. And to find that better way, the study method always help you. Fundamental study methods are that help to improve the quality of learning, improve the use of material, reduce the health hazards, improve the design and condition of studying, and finally improve the process and procedure. So these are the improvement and the beneficialities that you will be find. The basic procedure of study method was first developed and articulated by Russell Curie at Imperial Chemical Industries and consists of six steps, which is known as SARIDM. The first development of the study method was articulated by Russell Curie, and Russell Curie gave us the sixth step known as SARIDM. SARIDM is method of task analysis. This method can be used to analyze any procedure of determined parts of procedure which are inefficient and can be improved. The task that can be improved, the task that can be that are inefficient, so you have to improve it. So you have to make some analysis on that task. So whenever you are going to make any task, that you have to make an analysis on these tasks. So these are the details of the word the SARIDM. The SARIDMs means the select, record, examine, develop, install, and maintain. Whenever you are going to a work, so it should be studied before you work. And when you have done your studies, you have to collect some relevant informations. From the relevant informations that you have been recorded, you have to examine it on that informations. And after using of that information, you have to develop it on your way. And after finding a better way, now you have to make a new method of your standard practices. And but whenever you find a new method, and or you can say that the better way, so you have to maintain it. You have to check this method, and you have to make update on that method. How do I study? Make time, stick on it, have a diary planner, schedule study day on the top of the lecture days, go through your lecture slides, keep noting your sessions, ask yourself if you don't understand it. Whenever you are going to study, make a time, always make a time for your study, and always follow that time. This is called stick to it, and make a plan how I can study, and how when I will study. Make a schedule of your study. Go through your slides, lecture slides already, and try to make a notes by your own wordings. And if you don't find any understand any question, any things, it is your right to questions. Only doing the reading for a class, not studying. It is simple doing the reading class, rereading, quick forgetting. Think of reading as an important part of pre-studying, but learning information quite require actively important. The cycle of studying is that previewing, attending class, reviewing, studying, and checking your understanding. Whenever you are going to study, first you have to preview your lecture slides. You have to preview your lecture. You have to learn your lecture slide before attending the class. Then you have to attend class. After attending class, review it and make study more, and try to check your understanding. Understand the cycle, study cycle. Break down the different parts of study. Make a breakdown of your study, although each step may seem obvious at a glance. All too often students try to take shortcut and miss opportunity of good learning. Whenever you are going to take a shortcut, you will miss your good opportunity.